Why baby is crying? Mother she knows. And so now baby want to sleep, want to eat, hungry. Mother she knows. Mother she knows. Now baby want to sleep. Understand? So the baby completely surrender to mother. For the mother she knows. In the same way, one who surrenders, then the realization. Bhakti's main foundation, here is called. And basement, that is called, base, that is called Saranagati. Without Saranagati, can you understand? But Saranagati different stage also. Saranagati, the 6 limbs of Saranagati. Anukulasya Sankalpa, Pratikulasya Vivarjanam, Rakshasati, Visasu, Guptite, Varnam Tata. Atmanikhyapa Karpanya, Saravida Saranagati. These are the 6 limbs of surrender. Another thing also, how much surrender? Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says same thing. Je jathamang prapaddante stang thaiva vajamo. Mama vartanu vartante manusya varta sarva. So surrender, this is important.
How can we surrender if we are full of anarthas and many bad things? Because the mind does not want to surrender.
Need for a sukriti. Bhakti, everything actually depends on sukriti. Bhakti stu bhadvakta sangena parijayate satsanga prapati pungvi sukriti purva sanchiti. Yadi purva sanchiti. Past and previous impressions, very important. So sanskar depends on the 2 kinds of sanskar. Sanskar means impressions. One is called praktani sanskar and another is called adhuniki sanskar. Adhuniki means present, this life. What are you doing that is impressed in your mind? That is called adhuniki sanskar. Or praktaniki sanskar, that is called previous, past life. What you did, that already reserved. And sanskar is good sanskar, bad sanskar. If you have good sanskar, then easy to develop. So saying bhakti stu bhadvakta sangana parijate satsanga prapate pungvi sukriti purva sanchite. When sukriti is mature and accumulated, then we associate with sadhu. This is the process. Sadhu sangha, this way. Then listen Hari Katha, then your desire will come to serve Krishna. Then you will associate sadhus. Understand? So 2 kinds of sadhu sangha. One is called Lokik sadhu sangha and is called Paramarthik sadhu sangha, spiritual. So this is very important.
This is Lokik sadhu.
Lokik sadhu, they are poorly behave with the sadhu. Understand? As like in this material world. You don't know he is sadhu or not, but just associate. So morning walk, many people do nice. They don't know who is sadhu, what is the symptoms of this. What is the symptoms of sadhu?
Krishna Kacharam.
Titikshava karunika suhidi sarva dehinam. Ajato sattva santa sadhu eva. This sloka is there. This is the sadhu's lakshana also. Then This is a symptom of sadhu. Then qualities of sadhus also. Gun. 26 types of qualities of sadhu. Kripalu, Akdaha, Satta, Samasar, Badanna, Kobi, Daksha, Mauni. In these 26 qualities. Gun. Sadhu is gun, Vaishnava gun also. But this is the 5, what is it? That the sadhus, some Kripalu, what is it called? Titikshava, Karunika, Suhida, Sarvadehinam, Ajato, Satrobu, Santa. Santa Eva, the Bhushana. Titikshava means? Tolerance. Okay. Titikshava. Titakshava, Karunika, so much compassion to the others living entities. They realize how the condition of soul, they are suffering three folds of Maya. So it's giving the mercy to them. Titikshava, Karunika, Suhida, Sarvasya, Dehina. And he makes the friendship with all the living entities. So Titikshava, Karunika, Suhida, Sarvadehinam. Ajata Satrava. Ajata Satrava means he has no any enemies. He never think he is my enemy. Understand? Krishna never think Kamsa is my enemy. Or Kamsa, he think Krishna is my enemy. Who is enemy and friend with Krishna? No one, actually. No me desa, no me priya. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. No my desa. Who is my enemy? Or who is my friend? Enemy, friend should be equal status. Understand?
Same level.
Same level, that you will be, one person will be enemy or another person will become friend. Friendship will be same level. Is it true or wrong? So, who is the enemy of Krishna? No one. This is true. Understand or not? Enemy of the Krishna is think I am unique, unparalleled, no one equal to me. So who will be enemy for me? Elephant cannot make the friendship with the small mouse. Is it true? Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada gave an example. There was a small oil, water is there. And some also frogs, the baby frogs, and their mother is there. And that way, every day, one elephant coming and going. Understand? So when elephant used to come very close to the well, and that time that, what is it called? Frog coming and kicking to elephant and again jumps in the water of the oil. Then elephant is thinking, when every day when I used to go this way, and why he is and kicking me and coming water and kick. Understand? Okay. So then next day elephant coming. Then also the frog, he jumped and kicked his elephant. Elephant what happened? Nothing. Then elephant took the water from the well. Then saw one coin is there. You understand? Sometimes Indian people, They also taking one coin and throw in the river, well, they are thinking, we will and worship. Eh? So that means that the elephant, what is his name? Frog is thinking, I am very rich. Hey, elephant, what you are? Nothing. Eh? So for this regard, he kicked. But then elephant took all the water, then frog is what? Running here, then my water. Understand this? So elephant never think the frog is my friend or is my enemy. This is true. Eh? This is it. Friendship should be same level. And this is true. The who is same level of Lord? No one. So for the Krishna is never thinking he is my enemy or he is my friend. But those who are non-devotee, but that is called envious people, they are thinking, oh, Krishna is my enemy. Krishna not thinking. Because Krishna, they are not. So understand or no?
So in the same way, Krishna does not have any friends.
In Krishna has no friends. Who is the friends of Krishna?
Subhash, Sridhar.
There's the Sakka Leela is coming in this. When we Krishna is Bhagavan,
Bhagavatam.
Krishna is Bhagavan, so no one. And so Upanishad saying, what is saying slok? Natasya karya karancha vidyate, natas samakasya adhikasya dishyate, prasya sakti vividurusvate, sahaviki jnana bolo kyacha. Natasya karya karancha vidyate. No one can understand what he is doing, what he is not doing. Natasya karya karancha vidyate. Natas samakasya, no one equal to him also. This verse is coming. Because he is Bhagavan. Who is equal to Bhagavan? No one. Natakasya karyakanvite samakas adhikasya. Who will higher than Lord? No one. Or in Krishna Vrindavan, what is he saying? He forgets his Bhagavatta supremacy. He is saying, Ami na jani Saka sakka bhavi kare skandha arohan tumi kon bada lok ami tumi sumi. माता मरे पुत्र हवे करे लालन पालन और प्रिया यदि मान करी करे भत्सन वेदस्तुति होइते मोर हरे मोर मोर conjugal mood. They are thinking Krishna is my friend, Krishna is my beloved. And when you say Krishna is Bhagavan, you are not thinking. Because who is Bhagavan at a time? Two things, Sarvagata and Mugdhata. Sarvagata, all knowing power, and submittance, and also same time is called Mugdhata, complete innocent. So far this guy doing this lila. And when is Sarvagata manifested, that is called Bhagavan. Sarvagata is all knowing power, he is Bhagavan. Or when he is doing this lila, they is completely innocent. This thing manifests in Brahma Vimohan Lila. It's very clearly. Brahma Vimohan Lila, understand? Krishna stole. Brahma stole Krishna's cups and cover boy. Gopal and Bachir ko bharan ke. First Krishna acting the role as a complete worry. Human baby. Manabuli. Afraid, Krishna thinks, where is my son? Where is my friend, Subal Siddham? Where is my cups? Where are they? And Krishna afraid of. Then Krishna afraid, where is my? As a human, then Brahma is like, oh, Krishna is not Bhagavan. Krishna is ordinary cowherd boy. Eh? Then Krishna again think, oh Brahma, I don't know. Who am I? Then somebody is supremacy power coming. Eh? Brahma first is thinking he is an innocent cowherd boy. Eh? Understand? So Brahmaji, he took the cowherd boy and also cubs in the one cave. Then and go return back to his place Satyaloka. Or Krishna at a time doing same lila. Eh? Here Krishna is afraid, where is my son? Here, where is my friend Subal Siddham? Then look this. Completely, that is called bewilderment. Bewildered. Where? Eh? Then another second also is supremacy coming, Bhagavata. Oh, Brahmaji, you are thinking I am an ordinary cowherd boy. Eh? Then Krishna doing this Leela. Krishna one form manifest. And very quickly came in Satyaloka. And where the Brahmaji is gatekeeper is there. Krishna manifest in the form of Brahma. And Krishna manifest in the form of Brahma. So doorkeeper do stop Suti to Krishna because he is
Krishna acting as Brahma.
Krishna acting as a Brahma. And he told to good keeper, hey, is someone coming and pretending to me. So don't allow to him coming in. Look at this. Then original Brahma came, then good keeper very angry. But hey, who are you? Oh, our master Brahmaji just entered. Then Brahmaji, this is my house. Huh?
I live here.
I live here. But no, our master just entered. And he told me also. If somebody will come pretended as like me. So don't allow to him to come here. Then Brahmaji become very upset. Brahmaji हैरान हो गया. हैरान समझते हो? Become completely choked. What is this? Yeah?
हैरान हो गया. Became very disturbed.
Very
in his
disturbed.
mind.
His mind very disturbed. Who manifested my form? Brahmaji now. Origin Brahma is thinking, who manifested my form and entered in my room? Look at this. If you only think, oh, maybe, okay, I will. Again, Brahmaji, because doorkeeper did not allow to him. Doorkeeper not allowed to him to enter in
His own home.
his own home. Because Krishna manifested in form of Brahmaji. And Krishna told, by someone coming. So who is origin Brahma?
This was after the Brahma Vimohan Leela. Yeah.
After Brahma Vimohan Leela, when Krishna, when Brahma stole cups and then he come in this.
I see.
Then he returned back. Original Brahma, he returned back. Why you see, where the cows? Where the calves and cow harbor?
Still in the cave.
That time he came in that way. That time he saw the Krishna and with his cow boys and calves, he also herding the cows. Then Brahmaji, another. What is this? What I am looking at this? So Brahmaji, he think he already put all the cups in the cave.
Yeah.
Eh? And here same Krishna, he also hiding the cups and with his friends. That the Brahmaji first indicated maybe the cows, the cups, and the friends they are coming back, coming out from the cave. Then Brahma has two hands, two heads. Two heads put towards the cave, another two heads
Krishna.
to the Krishna who is hiding the cups. That time Krishna he was hiding the cups. बछड़े को चढ़ा थे उस समय कृष्ण गाय को नहीं चढ़ाया बछड़े को चढ़ाया understand so Brahma ji with his two heads look this side every time all the friends of Krishna Sakhas they also painted in the cave and the cups also there another two he was looking Krishna is also hiding the cups with his friends. Then Brahmaji is surprised. Brahmaji mind very disturbed. Here is very nice, beautiful commentary and explain. Brahma is called Jiva Tattva. Understand? Vairaj Brahma. Two kinds of Brahma. One is called Vairaj Brahma and it is called Hiranyagarbha Brahma. Hiranyagarbha Brahma, that is called Bhagavat Tattva. Meaning Lord himself manifested in the form of Brahma. Or Vairaj Brahma, that is called Jiva Tattva. Understand? Jiv can act in the role of Brahma. How? How will become Brahma?
Following Varnashram Dharma 100.
100 births. Sata Janmai Japuma. And if you follow the Varnashram Dharma 100 births, then you will qualify to take the position of Brahma. So that Brahma is called Jiva Tattva. Many lives you also did the position of Brahma. Understand? Kati Kati Brahma mari gel.
We have taken Brahma.
Huh?
We have taken the position of Brahma in the past.
Yeah. Everybody. you took or not, you asked. Maybe. Why not?
Maybe.
Just to forget. Babu Sir gave many times you become Indra also. Sometimes also become also insects. Kabu Sarge, Kabu Marke, North Kabu. Kabu Dev, Kabu Ditta, Kabu Dasru. Kabu Dev. Sometimes you become also Devata, Indra, Brahma. Why not? In this way.
तो जो वर्तमान ब्रह्मा है
अरे इस कथा तो सुना नहीं फिर कैसे
जीवकोटि ब्रह्मा है
हैं
जो वर्तमान ब्रह्मा
जीवकोटि ब्रह्मा हाँ so now coming Hari say
Commentary explains.
the Krishna Sakhas they are called and Krishna's Nitya Parikar. So how possible Jivagati Brahma and took them and put in the cave? You understand? That's not possible. Because they are Krishna Nitya Parikar. And Subal, Siddham, and Madhumangal, Stoka Krishna, origin, all they are called Krishna's Nitya Parikar, eternal associates. And they are manifested from Krishna Sarvashakti Prakash only, like Srimati Radhika. So how possible Jivagati Brahma took and cast to them and put in the cave? Why? How possible? For this regard, one commentary explains, actual, when Brahma is thinking, I will take all these cups and friends of Krishna Sakhas, that is origin, Subal Sridham, they also disappear. And then Jogmaya manifested that they were Maya Kalpita, cups and friends of Krishna. Pala, how did he say?
So the question arises: how was it possible for Brahma to take the calves,
What possible? The Brahma, Vairaj Brahma. Jivati.
Vairaj Brahma, Jivati Brahma, to take the calves and the friends of Krishna? And there's an explanation in one commentary. Which commentary is this, Gurudev?
One of the
One commentary that there was duplicates which were created of the calves and the cowherd boys, and they are the ones that were taken by Brahmaji and hidden in the cave.
Understand? So now coming to Brahmaji, then he's surprised. Why is that? Yeah? Then Brahmaji, oh, then after the Brahmaji, then Krishna also so to the Brahma. All the cowherd boys, all the calves, they are his Istadev, Khirodaksai Vishnu. Oh, Brahma's Istadev, Garbhodaksai Vishnu. Understand? And all the Chaturbhuj also. And all the cowherd boys and calves. Brahmaji saw all the Chaturbhuj. Then Brahmaji was, oh my God. Now we realize. This Krishna is not ordinary cowherd boy. Then Brahmaji, he also came and do a many stuti, that Brahma stuti is coming. No me date, abrabo puse, taridambaraya. This sloka. Very nice. About 40 slokas Brahmaji recited. Then, but Krishna did not listen Brahmaji's stuti. Ignore. Understand? But one slok coming, then Brahmaji little bit smile. Krishna smile. What is that slok? Aho bhaggam, nanda gopo brajukosam, janamittang paramanandam parna brahma sanat. This slok is done. Actually, this is the glorification of Brijavasi. If anybody little bit glorifies about Braj Katha, Krishna very pleased. Look at this. And if you speak little bit, just mention the in Braj, Krishna very pleased. So saying the Oh Bhaggo, Nanda Gopura Bajukasham. Those who are living in Nanda Braj, how they are very great fortune. Saying Oh Bhaggo, no Mo Bhaggo, Nanda Gopo Bajukasham. Janamitrang Paramanandam Purna Brahma Sanatana. Then Brahmaji, then Krishna smiled. Then Brahmaji said, Chalo. Then Krishna smiled me, he pleased with me because he committed offense. Then Brahmaji very quickly do parikrama to Krishna. How many? 3 times. Actually, according to rules, you have to do parikrama to Vishnu Tattva and 4 times. But Brahmaji, he did only 3 times. Why? Because Brahmaji, he forget to count. So very quickly thinking. So then, yes, this is the process. And that time the conversation between Brahma and also Krishna. And Brahmaji told, I am offended Aparadi. And then Krishna told, you did not commit offense to me. Why? And then calls why? Well, your father is Garbhodaksai Vishnu. Understand? Or I am Gopajati. And your father is Narayan. Brahmaji manifested from where?
Navel of
Navel of Lord Narayan. Brahmaji manifested. So your father is Narayan. I am Gopajati. Narayan Tattva, that is called Brahman Tattva actually. Or Krishna Har Tattva. Vainandan Krishna Gopajati, Vaishya Tattva. So I am Gopajati. Krishna saying I am Gopajati. I am not Narayan. That time no, Prabhu, you are origin Narayan. Mool Narayan. Chaitanya Chaitanya. Brahmaji told you are Mool Narayan. You are origin Narayan. Actually, you are. Then Krishna, Sangrup, Tadekatma Rup, or Avish. Sangrup again two types. Sangrup, Sang Prakash. Sang Prakash again two also. Prabhav and Vaibhav. Sangrup, Sang Prakash. Then Baladev Prabhu is coming. Then Baladev Prabhu, then coming Sankarsan, Mahasankarsan, then Karnaduksai, then Garbhoduksai, then Kriduksai Vishnu. Vishnu Tattva. So saying Sangrup, Tadikatma Rup, Avis. So Sangrupe Braje, Brajendra Nandan. So Krishna is a Sang Bhagavan for the Ete Jangsa Kalapungsa, Krishnastu Bhagavan Swam. Swam Bhagavan is. Chaitanya Chaitanya very nicely explained this. Adi Lila, I think also first or second chapter. Explain this.
why is Krishna not taking the offense of Brahma? Why is Krishna saying Brahmana cannot curse Vaishya?
Or Krishna is doing very humble, he is saying. Krishna is
he's showing
He was saying,
humility.
oh, I am Gopajati. Krishna is saying, Ami Gopajati. Or you are which? Brahman. And your father is Narayan. So how possible commit that? How possible commit
An
offense
to me.
to me? Then Brahmaji, no, Prabhu, you are original Brahma. Mool Narayan. So then explain this. Krishna is Mool Narayan not. So for this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam, Ete Changsha Kalapungsa, Krishna Stu Bhagavan, Sang Bhagavan. Not Bhagavan. He is called Sang Bhagavan. Mool, so for this Sang Bhagavan. Jahar Bhagavatta hoite Anner Bhagavatta. So this is the explanation. You read Chaitanya Chaitamrita. Adi Lila, first or second chapter. Very nice Katha. So Krishna is saying Bhagavan. Understand? So who is Bhagavan saying Bhagavan at a time? Two things. Sarvagata and Mugdata.
Brother Mohan had a question.
Is it because this offense that Brahma had to take birth as Haridas Thakur? Because this offense? Because this offense of Brahma, did he have to take birth as Haridas Thakur?
No. That is called Brahmaji, very humble. He prayed to Krishna. Oh, you give me, what is called? Then Krishna told, okay, I am not taking your offense. But still Brahma is thinking, I committed offense. How to perform all this reaction. Then he told, okay, you have to serve my Leela. Which Leela? In my Gaur Leela. So Brahmaji again he came in Navadvip Dham, Mayapur. Then Brahmaji he performed fire sacrifice and doing many hard austerities. Then Krishna appeared and also told Brahmaji, I am very pleased with you. You asked in benediction. Then Brahmaji he told, and Prabhu, in your Krishna Lila I committed offense, aparad. Though you are not take offense from me, no problem. You are not take offense. Mata pita kabhu na loy putrer aparad. Parents, they are not taking any the offense of their children. Then the children is completely what? Innocent. So in the same way, Krishna told, and I'm not taking your offense, but still Brahma is thinking, I'm an offender. And Brahma is thinking I'm an offender. So Brahmaji told, okay, I will. That time Krishna told, in Kali Yuga, I will appear in the form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and preach Nam Sankirtan. So you also help my Nam Sankirtan. Then Brahmaji told. Then Brahmaji humble told, Hey Prabhu, in Kali Yuga, you also give me take birth in Antaja family. Antaja family, Muslim family.
Outcasts.
Out of caste. Outcast. Not Varnashram. Not Brahman. No Vaishya Sudra. Who are they? Out of caste. That Sanskrit word that is called Mlecha. Mlecha means each word. Those who are out of caste. Antaja. Yeah. Understand? Because they have no any ritual ceremony, nothing these. They are not qualified to perform any kinds of ritual ceremony, you know.
Sure.
Cannot do.
Is it correct to call them untouchable? Or is untouchable something different?
No, untouchable, they are another thing. Understand? So that the actual spot this is Shastra saying in this. If you do fire sacrifice, do the need is what? Your dynasty. And what is your dynasty? And what is your gotra? Understand? What is your gotra? Gotra means you are coming from which Rishi Muni dynasty? Understand? And this is the Vedic culture. And some they coming Sandillo dynasty, Sandillo Muni, Bharadwaj, and you can see, and in your what is called
Chart, birth chart.
birth chart is there. But we have no birth chart because I have no.
Dynasty.
That is, if you tell you become upset. Very wired. In England, when you receive Diksha Mantra, before what? If you ask, what is your
Gotra.
Gotra? If you go Jagannath Puri, the Panda first you ask, you will say, yes, I am Hindu. India. You are not India. They will ask, well, tell me, what is your Gotra? What is your Gotra? I don't know. So, Gotra is every what is this? Gotra is there. Which Gotra you are? You don't know. Sandil Gotra. Some they are also called Bharadwaj Gotra. Written in there. Understand this?
Gurudev. And Haridas Thakur.
But when you took Diksha from Guru, that time you are coming to Achyuta Gotra, belongs to Krishna. Achyuta means Krishna. Then okay, chalo. Or one chants holy names, then all his were impurities disappear.
गोत्र के कोई
And कोई जरूरत नहीं. अहो बत सचवदे गरियान जद याग्रे वर्तते नाम तुभ्यं. And one who chants holy names, he is higher than Samavedi Brahmana. Understand? Bhaktivedanta Sai Maharaj, he preached in Western country. He has many rich disciples. When he built very nice, beautiful temple in Vrindavan, that is called Krishna Balaram temple. When he came after preaching Western country, then one is God brother, Brahman God brother, and he met with him, talking very nice love and affection. Then he asked Maharaj, you have many rich disciples, American or other. So I want to build one temple to give some money. Sai Maharaj told, okay, I will try to help your temple. And after Hari Katha, Sai Maharaj very generous. He told his one Western disciple, understand, to bring some prasad. Understand, Vrindavan, what is called? Peda something, this, offering to Thakurji and give to him. But that God brother, he was Brahmana. And so much thinking I am Brahmana. Or this Western devotee, before they ate meat, fish, killing cow, just Sai Maharaj gave him thread, sacred thread. Now he is Brahmana. And his mind is a little bit disturbed. Understand? So when Sai Maharaj gave that the prasad of Thakurji, understand? He took that the prasad, then and after and crossed the road, one dustbin there, and he threw. Because he thinking, how possible this person is Brahmana worship Thakurji? He did not believe. Before he was Mlecha, and now he is Brahmana. How possible? He threw. When he threw that, they one his disciple, some disciple noticed. And that time told to Gurudev, you gave that prasad, your God brother, Brahman God brother, he threw that. Then Sai Maharaj told, okay, bring that the prasad from the dustbin. Then he also ate and also distributed his disciples. Okay. And then when he returned back in America, and then he wrote then his disciple, what is it, God brother, and Brahman God brother. He also wrote to Sai Maharaj, you told to me, you give some money for my temple, but still you are not giving any money, nothing. Then Sai Maharaj replied, yes, I want to give you money to you, but my disciples are there Mlecha. So how possible to accept their money? Understand? How possible to accept their money? Because they are also contaminated. Their money contaminated or not? Then he wrote, and I gave you that prasad to you, but you were thinking they are Mlecha. So how possible? So you did not accept that prasad. So how possible to accept my Mlecha disciple money? So particular, I don't want to pay you, give you one penny to you also. Understand? Okay, then he became very upset. Then again Sai Maharaj returned back and temple in Vrindavan. Then he came and met him. And then somebody direct told him, you read this verse, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, what is written. Gurudev, what he wrote. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. Jasya jat lakshanam praktang sa tat vyanjan varna vyanjaka abhikantam. This verse, Bhagavatam. According to their swabhav, they will become to that caste and race. And Bhagavad Gita, Krishna also saying this. Chaturvarna maya sistam guna karma vibhagasha. I manifested the four varnam ashram. According to their swabhav, they will belong to that varna and ashram. These are true. So, though my disciple, they did many bad things before. But I gave the Diksha mantra. So now they are called is what? Higher than Samvadi Brahmana. Understand? Sai Maharaj very nicely explained to Didi and give all the quotation of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada. From Srimad Bhagavatam and also Gita, Puranas, other. Look this. So,
पहला श्लोक बताए तो क्या था?
Jasya jad lakshanam praktang tat varna vyanjakam adhikam. This is Srimad Bhagavat slok. According to their swabhav, they will become that varna and ashram. If one took birth in Brahman family, but he is not following the Brahman rules and regulations, eating meat, so how possible to say he is Brahmana? He is also Mlecha. Or one who took birth in Mlecha's family, dog eater, but he following the rules, not eating meat, fish, onion, garlic, he is Brahmana. You understand? So this is the But then again question will come. How possible he become Brahmana? Brahman son will be Brahmana. But we say, no, this is not the truth. When Gurudev the Diksha mantra sacrificed, that time he is Brahmana. Well, how? They are given example. Two kinds of gold you can get. One is called origin gold you can get from the mine. Here is a gold mine, you can get the gold. Sarnakhani. Or another also Shastra explained this way. And Jathas Rasayano Misraneno. And actually one kind of chemical. You put the any what is called? Iron or something that also transferred in gold. And you read that the verse in Gaudiya Kantara also. Understand this? In the same way, when Guru gives mantra, Diksha, his disciple, that time he is Brahmana also. You understand or not? This is the process of. So Sai Maharaj told. Yeah, I gave Diksha mantra and the secretary he is Brahmana. Why he is not thinking he is not Brahmana? So you born in Brahman family. Is it true? You are Brahmana. But he is also Brahmana because he took Diksha mantra, Gayatri mantra jap. He is Brahmana. You cannot say he is not Brahmana. Or another one who receive Diksha mantra from Vaishnava, Vaishnava mantra, Vishnu mantra. It's called Vaishnava. Or Vaishnava is higher than Brahmana. Brahmananang sasribu satyajati visisate. Satyajati sasribu. Sarva Vedanta Vidkut. This sloka is Learn. Eh? Who is higher? Or who is also one pointed with Krishna's seva? Krishna. He is called Vaikantiki, devotee of Lord. So who is higher? Vaishnava is higher than Brahmana. Eh? Understand? So Bhaktivedanta Sai Maharaj, he explained all these. Then he got what is it called? Apologize. Apologize. Oh, and I committed offense. Your lotus feet and your disciple lotus feet. What would you? And that time Sai Maharaj, he told. And again he told his same disciple, Christian disciple. Okay, take this prasad, offer to Thakurji, and turn back. Then his same disciple, understand? After 2 years. Then Sai Maharaj, he gave to him. And then he took the prasad. Then he realized. Look this. So this is the process also. Read Bhaktivinoda Sai Maharaj, Arishkar, Prabhupada, Lilamrit Granth. And Sai Maharaj Lilamrit Granth also very nice. Many katha is there. Which slow? Brahmananang Sahasribhu. Bring my the book written in there. Brahmananang Sahasribhu Satajati Vishishyate Satajati Sahasribhu Sarva Vedanta Vitkutta. Then their last is saying Vikanti was the Gaudi Kanta also, of course. Brahmananang Sahasribhu Vaishnav Tattva. Ashram Tattva is there. Ashram Tattva, last part. Read them. Which location you will find?
Which page you will Which edition? I was looking for the location.
बलराम कहाँ थे जब
Brahma ji, उस दिन बलराम प्रभु Baladev Prabhu did not go herding the cow. They were in the cow herd. Cubs herding the cow. That time also Baladev Prabhu's maybe his Janma Nakshatra Tithi. Not Janma Tithi, maybe Janma Nakshatra Tithi. Understand?
क्या फर्क है?
Are in many kinds of births, what is called celebration going on. Some you birth, even the day also. Sunday you take birth. That is, you can also celebrate.
Every week.
Every Sunday.
Can do, why not? Every Sunday, every month.
Every day.
Yeah, every day.
Every 14.
You can do. Those who are rich people, how they spend the money. You understand? How they will spend the money. What will do the money?
Celebration.
Celebration, good.
Any excuse.
Today is my what is it called?
Anniversary.
No, anniversary. 25 years anniversary. Indian people, they are doing this.
Anniversary.
They are doing also. Understand? You have no money, so you are thinking, my God, how possible? You understand? And you were going to the temple, the Bhajaman Parikrama, what is his name? Jovana paid 20 rupees. Or then he's saying also 10 rupees for me and 10 rupees for Jovana. Okay. I mean, you paid or no? No, Jovana paid.
I gave Jamuna 20 rupees.
So we have half up. So we have no money, so you are thinking this. You understand? Those are a lot of money. Some Western people, devotees are looking when they're coming first time. Then every temple they are giving 500 rupees, 500 rupees note. I think, why this giving? Oh, this is first time only. Yeah. Okay, next time will come. Next time coming, then 100 rupees. Then third time coming, 50 rupees. Then
10 rupees.
why is you can check those who are first time coming, Bhajamangal Parikrama, and going to giving the donation. And 500 then Indian money, 500. I don't know. Before what? 1,000 rupees, you have seen? Understand?
Wow.
I'm thinking, oh my God, they are bringing every temple going. And 2,000 also rupees. Red note.
Nice.
Very nice.
Missing the
Oh my God.
You remember?
Every temple they are going and 2,000 rupees. Very nice, beautiful pink color.
Yeah.
And giving this. Then I asked, this is your first time? Yes, Maharaj. Okay, I marked. Then next time will come, coming. Next time we came. Then giving 1,000 note will come. Okay. This time, third time, 500 notes. Understand? Then fourth time, 100 rupees. And then fifth time, 10 rupees. Oh, okay. And sixth time, one coin. One coin. Oh, change.
1 rupee.
You notice this thing?
Why this happen?
It happens all the
Are in our Bhajamangal Parikrama happen?
Why do you think it happens? They spend so much and little stingy or
Now they realize the value of the money.
And then they realize the value of money. These things. Understand?
Means, yeah.
Then the value of money. Very well. Yeah.
Haridas Thakur, his Nityasita Parikar. And
Haridas Thakur, 3 forms. One is eternal associate of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Shataddeep Dham. Nama Sankirtan is going on there. Understand? The Mahaprabhu Lila, there is called Nitya Lila and Naimitya Lila. Naimitya Lila, no any the deliverance of Asura. But the Lila is going on Nama Sankirtan. Understand this? So Haridas Thakur also eternal associate of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is called Shataddeep Dham. Aprakat Gorakh, Aprakat Shataddeep Dham. And another Haridas Thakur, Prakat Lila, he is coming, he is the incarnation, what is called? Brahma. Combined from Prahlad and Brahma.
Jivakati.
Jivakati Brahma. This way. And another also Brahma, he is called the son of Richa Krishna. That is your mention in this way. Then he the Richa Rishi's son.
Richa.
Richa Rishi's son. That's good. You see very good. Then his father he told, oh, today you also worship Thakurji. He worshipped Thakurji and offered Tulasi. But the Tulasi leaves he did not wash. Then his father gave curse. Stupid nonsense. You are as like Mlecha. Mlecha not following the rule. And you did not worship it. You know what's the Tulasi leaves of a Thakurji? You have to become Muslim. Marriage. So in Haridas Thakur 3 and person enter in his body. One is your origin Haridas Thakur. That is called Shataddeep Dham, Mahaprabhu. After Mahaprabhu coming, he is bringing his own parikar. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kari Saparshada Siya Dham. Lord, he comes not alone, with his own dham and his own Parikar. So that Haridas Thakur is called Mahapurush Parikar also. Or another Haridas also inside him. That is called Brahma. Just you heard Brahma ji. I am very humble. He told you, I want to become Lokas, then I can very humble. Or another Brahma who did not wash clean the tulasi leaves. When you offer tulasi leaves, very carefully. Otherwise, if you not worship the tulasi leaves, and clean, wash the tulasi leaf with the water and offer to Lord, the next birth will become Mleccha, Muslim. So the three Haridas inside, actually origin of Haridas, that is called in Aprakat Lila Golok Satadev Dham.
So what happened now with Jivakoti Brahma? He got delivered.
Huh?
Where is he now?
Where is he now? He is attending to Golok Vrindavan. Brahma Stuti, Brahma Samhita explained this. Krishna gave a mantra, Gopal mantra, Krishna mantra to Brahma ji through the flute. Understand it? Then Brahma ji he told, what might do? Well, what will do now? Well, you have to create creation. Well, why? Because still you have Rajaguna. You will create. So Brahma's duty is the creation. Well, how will creation? Well, I will give all my energy, Shakti to you, potential. Then you create. Or when you fulfill my desire, then you will deliver from the body, attend to my abode dham. This is the process.
So he has already attained, or he's fulfilling the post of Brahma now, right?
Now he's attend to Golok Vrindavan.
So who is in charge now in the universe?
Another kick, many also,
Another Brahma.
and another Brahma you can. If not another Brahma is a person is qualified to take charge of the Brahma, then Lord himself. That is called Hiranya Brahma. Hiranyagarbha Brahma.
This was only 5,000 years ago. Krishna ka prakat lila ke samay.
Gurudev,
At the time.
Vartaman Brahma है.
अरे आपका इतने चिंता करने की क्या जरूरत है?
वो जो क्या
हैं?
आधा की
आधा व्यापारी जहाजिर कर, एक तो हरिनाम नहीं करते और इतना चिंता है ब्रह्मा जी क्या कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है. अरे चांद हुली ने टेक महाप्रसाद. साईं महाराज is saying this. चांद हुली ने टेक आधा व्यापारी जहाजिर को and selling 1 kilo
of ginger.
ginger and cut in pieces. You understand? And very poor person. And he has no money, so thinking what would do? Just buying 1 kilo ginger and cutting the small pieces. Understand? Okay, 5 rupees and 1 piece. 1 piece. Or if that is thinking, oh, this ginger is coming from where? In this ship. How many tons ginger in the ship? This ship is coming from where? Where is going? This is not your duty.
Subject.
Chant holy name, you understand? Then which Brahma deliver, which not? This is not your chant.
What the way will change?
You deliver or not? पागल सब है.
आपने पागल बनाया.
नहीं
मैं पागल बना थोड़ी मैं बोला कि ब्रह्मा है ये ब्रह्मा डिलीवर हो गया नहीं हो गया. अरे रीड भागवत ब्रह्म संगीता saying this है last verse and last verse almost last verse ब्रह्म संगीता है. That time he told, okay, I tell you everything, then and I give a mantra to you, and then Brahma ji asked what to do now. And we told, if I chant this Gopal mantra, Then all Gopi Bhav will get this kind of thing. That time Krishna told, okay, but still you have Rajaguna. So according to Rajaguna, you and serve. Understand? See that thing. Everybody have to perform their duties according to their gunas. Understand? What will do, what not will do, everything. Gunas is very powerful. Understand? You don't want, but your gunas understand? Sattva, Raja, Tama guna. They by force to you have to do this. Kena baladapi niyojita. And Arjun, he told me, I know this is good and good. I know this is bad, this is good. So why I am doing this bad thing? Kama iso, krudho iso, rajo guno, samudbhava. Maya's gunas. That we are forced to do. Yeah. So how to, now your question is how to deliver from these gunas of Maya. And now the Brahma what is doing that thing, who deliver or not. Understand? Some devotees are, they go, my Gurudev, this Manjari. Then this Manjari. They ask the Manjari. But if you ask, okay, your Gurudev is the Manjari. You are which Manjari? Rasgulla Manjari, Pakoda Manjari, Jilipi Manjari. You don't know your own Sarup, own status.
How to ask somebody.
Sometimes Gurudev disciples estimate where Guru is. Is that aparad or is that
I don't, this is not the usual opera. This is the speculative.
but like the disciples easily say my Gurudev is Maha
Who will say? Who is Mahabhagavad? Who will say?
Yeah.
Who has no qualification? How possible he know this? Rasatattva vichar is last. First anartha nivritti. You come in the stage of at least anartha nivritti and asakti, then you ask this question. You are the student of what is called grade number 1, primary. So how possible ask the question of and MA PhD? Understand? So this is the question. First you learn sloka, sadhu, bhajan and sadhana. Then you understand Manjari Tattva, then you ask my Gurudev is what is Manjari. Just someone told you were thinking my Gurudev is this Manjari. Have you realization? So, are first to do bhajan and sadhana. Remove your own anartha. Understand? And before there, no one also had discussed these things. No one discussed my Gurudev, which Manjari or nothing. Now is what? Even those who are not taking Diksha Mantra, nothing also thinking. They like to understand. This Manjari, they want to listen. Very fast. Do bhajan and sadhan, chant holy names, enter in tattva siddhanta, bhajan and sadhan. First take admission in kindergarten. Still you are more small baby are thinking Manjari Bhav. Hey, you go to the Trivikram Maharaj. Very directly. You become very straightforward, give the answer.
Clear for you.
If we tell you, you will be laughing and you will be very shy. If you are a real human being, you will be shy. Ran away.
Guru Nishtha is the backbone of bhakti. How to develop Guru Nishtha?
Huh?
How
When
to
you want pointed to the Guru, then Guru Nishtha will come. They want pointed to the Guru, then Guru Nishtha will come. Simple. If you not one pointed, opposite will come. Sabi Singh, Guru, listen Hari Katha, then slowly this. Huh? This will come in this. You understand? This first follow the instruction of Guru. Guru Mukha Padmavakya Chittete Koriya Oikya Arna Koriya Mane Asha. First, this is the step. Guru Mukha Padmavakya Chittete Koriya Oikya Arna Koriya Mane Asha. Nothing saying this. Or Gurudev is saying this is absolutely true.
Gurudev, what does one point mean?
I will accept all the instruction of my Guru. What he is saying, this is absolutely true. Madguru, Jagadguru, Madnadu. What my Gurudev is saying, I will accept. What my Gurudev is saying, this is absolutely truth. Acharya Jai Mat, Sai Mat Sar, Arsha Mat, Jab Chakha. What my Gurudev is saying, this is absolutely truth. What the others they are saying, okay, I do pranam. I not neglect, do pranam. Not criticize. But my Gurudev is saying that's absolutely true. You understand? These types of review, that is called the Guru Nishtha.
So in the case if someone has taken on a bogus guru,
Are Guru will never bogus.
but like
You are thinking he is Guru. He is not. He is not Guru.
then you cannot have that if it's not reconciling with Shastra or Vaishnava.
Huh?
If it's not reconciling with Shastra or Vaishnava,
How do you know he is bogus Guru?
because he's making his own philosophy up.
You know the Shastra again, then you check. They will check. This Guru is following this rule, eating meat, fish, onion, garlic or not. If Guru is eating onion, garlic, not following these rules, as the four principles not following, is bogus Guru, simple. One who is not following the four principles, that Guru is simple. You may understand, is not bona fide Guru, or simple.
But he may be following the four principles, but he may be doing other things outside.
Outside what he is doing this, what you are not Bhagavan. Outside you are doing what you are doing.
Externally showing that he's following, but internally he has other business or other motivation.
That's
other,
it all.
Huh?
That's Abbas.
Subtle-
Bogus
subtle
philosophies.
First to check his acharan, behavior. Acharan he chanting holy names or not? First to give intent. Now only he is saying to me, hey, my disciple chant holy name. But he not chanting holy name. First to check. First to check. He eating meat, fish, onion or garlic or not. Now only he is saying, hey, don't eat meat, fish. But he is eating. Understand? So first to check that the behavior. Acharan. Sadachari. Then you see the step by step, this is bhajan and sadhan. These are things. This is the process also. You do bhajan sadhan, they understand everything. He's saying, I am dentist. Okay. I heard he is dentist.
dentist.
And he is dentist or not?
Yeah.
He says-
How do you know he is
he
dentist?
says,
Told me.
He told you. How did you believe?
I saw
Just-
his clinic.
Eh?
I saw his clinic.
If you go his clinic and then you believe them,
Yeah.
that is your. That he proved it.
that also happened.
Huh?
No.
No, he used to.
You try to understand. Okay, he is saying, I am dentist. Danta chikitsa. Okay. He is saying, I am dentist.
Impossible to believe.
He's wearing dentist uniform.
Huh?
I'm wearing white. He's not.
To understand with this, he is saying I am dentist. Also, he is saying I am dentist. Huh? Understand? But how do you know the both are dentists or not? In the beginning, you could believe. Okay, they are saying. Eh? But when you will go this place and see his
Surgery.
surgery clinic, understand? Yeah? But maybe some also or his patient coming into his eye. They do believe. Huh? Understand? So who is pretending or who is real? Then you understand when you
Why further?
inquire and the bhajan and sadhana, they understand.
Treatment.
Huh?
And take treatment.
You were saying take treatment.
Practical. If he treats me, I see the result.
Huh? So when you go his place, then we understand. I understand. And some people also say for his own, what is called? Nam Fame Pratishta. Name Fame Pratishta. Oh, I am doctor. Or what is doctor? You know? Getting also doctor is what degree?
Yeah, certificate.
Certificate what doctor?
General practice. GP. General practice.
Are different types of doctors. One is called doctor means on a physician. And one doctor is also get the PhD. Understand? Both are writing is where?
DR.
DR.
Real doctors have a PhD degree. We are doctor, but like I mentioned, we are not doctor. Doctors have a PhD degree. So we say that
Doctor should supposed to be only PhD actually.
yeah, but real doctors have
Only PhD. Yeah.
degree.
Both are writing is a doctor. Understand? Huh? Okay, he's saying I'm very good. Therapy or is called
Physiotherapy.
and physiotherapy doctor.
Acupuncture.
Also writing his card, visiting card. Doctor this, doctor this. When you fasting to my God tomorrow.
Impressed.
Impressed. Both are writing that card. Doctor this. What is it, doctor?
Acupuncture. Physiotherapy.
Then you understand. Then what doctor?
He's doctor, true. But
He's a doctor, but who is doctor? What kind of
What
doctor?
kind of doctor?
Which doctor?
Huh?
Which doctor?
someone dying. They know I am doctor.
He's saying also true, but who is doctor? General people also think doctor means
Magician,
what is it called?
medical doctor.
Medical doctor. But one person is like MA, PhD also there. Doctor was right. They say also. Answer. I'm not telling this, maybe I can commit offense, so no, I'm telling this. Many people are these. Writing that doctor. Hey, doctor. Give up your designation. Sarvadhi vinurmuktang tatparjana nirmanam hisana hisikesa sevanang bhaktir uchyate. Why writing the doctor? You are now Vaishnava. Who is higher, doctor or Vaishnava? I will tell me. I am not criticized, but you can try to understand. Who is higher, Vaishnava or doctor?
Guru, Guru, real doctor.
Vaishnava. So, understand this. So, Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. Because in this material world, why they are writing? Because they impress the people, new people to attract. Oh, He's learned scholar, the. And mundane people impress. Also, this is good for the for the what is it called?
New customers.
Attraction to the
Advertise.
people. They are writing, okay. Rupa Goswami, what did he write? Very humble. Even he did not go to the temple of Jagannath. They born in high class Brahman family, but they are very humble.
Associated.
Understand? Even they did not go to the Jagannath temple. Even had the Jagannath temple or the shadow going, Sanatana Goswami did not go. Very far away. The Katha is coming Sanatana Goswami. And where the sand very hot and coming this. Look this. So our Goswamis, they are very humble. To understand this. They born in high class Brahman family and also eternal associated Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Mahaprabhu gave him also first this type name also. Who gave Rup Sanatan? Name? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave. First their name is what? Dabir Khas and Sakar Malik. The Muslim Hussain Shah gave his name. But their origin name?
Santosh.
Amar and Santosh and Amar. Look this. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave their name Rup and Sanat. Understand? And when they first met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they did this stops with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Namo Mahadvadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaurati Sena. And when they first met with Lord Chaitanya Ramkari, and Rup Sanatan, they also hold the blade of grass under their teeth. Dantatina Nidaya. Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namni Gaurati Sena. Oh, they are very humble. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey Rup Sanatan, you are my eternal aspirant, Nitya Parikar. Daina Chari, give up your these types of and humility. Daina. Mahaprabhu himself told. Look this. So Sarvapadhi Vinirmuktang Tatparittana Nirmanam Hisikena Hisikesa Sevanam Bhaktiruchyate. And first learn this verse, then you understand further. Highest definition of bhakti. What is that? Anna Vilashita Sunnam Gyana Karmadana Krishna Anusulam Bhakti Uchyate. But this verse you did not listen. Are we going to Sarvavadhi Vinir? What is it called? Anna Vilashita Sunnam. Are you first learn this? First learn the simple definition of bhakti. Understand? Most of our devotees, if they ask, if we say, right, give the definition of bhakti, then first they also this highest definition. Understand? But first we learn this verse. Sarvapadi vinirmuktang tatparittana nirmanam Hisikena sevanam bhakti uchyate. Or another? No. Bhakti Uda Prem. Sa paranurukti risate iti bhakti. Sandilya Sutra. Understand? In our Devananda Gaudiya, in Kesavji Gaudiya, first they also, and Gurudev also, and Ridhima. Sa paranurukti risare iti bhakti. deep attachment towards Lord, that is called bhakti. The bhakti is first definition. Second, more great, having sarvadi vinirmuktang tatparitana nirmalam hisikena hisikesa sevanang bhakti uchyate. Are the topmost definition of bhakti? Sab hand or then coming. Sabai pungsang paru dharma jato bhakti adhaskai ahituki apraditya jatma samprasidhi. And step by step you have learned. Understand? And a topmost bhakti definition, Anna Vilasita Sunnam Gyana Karma Dana Pritam Anukulino Krishnanu Bhakti Uttam. But we did not learn the first definition of bhakti. Are you to speak? Hi. Understand? Yeah. Balavindavan Vihari. Jai Jai Sri Radhe.
Srila Krishna, this look, it is Bhaja Pranali. So it's very, very important sloka.
Yeah, Tanadvi Sunijana Taruva Shrishna Manina Mahana Dena Kirtana Sada.
Yes, but I'm struggling like to be tolerant, and the line between tolerance and that people are taking advantage of your humility or just your.
Those who have devotee, they will understand your humility. Those who are non-devotee, they can understand your humility. Huh? Understand? Those who are non-devotee, don't show your humility. The simple Loki Baba. If you go to in front of tiger, hey tiger, Dandavat Pranam. Then tiger, jump, okay, Dandavat Pranam. Also, I am doing Dandavat Pranam. Then tiger will say, okay, you do prasam, then I am also Mahaprasadi Govind. Tiger will wear this very nice food. Understand? Daina should be in front of Vaishnava, not Avaishnava. That means I am saying those who are Avaishnava, you have become very dambik, arrogant. Very simple. Daina should be in front of Vaishnava, not Avaishnava.
So we have to be very careful when we see somebody who looks like a Vaishnava.
Understand? This is the thing. Is Vaishnava or not? Daina, this word is very, what is the specific meaning are there?
Subtle
Specific.
Subtle. Yeah. As Nanda Maharaj, very humble, he says, I have no prem with my son, Krishna. Look at me. Nanda Maharaj is saying, I have no love and affair with Uddhav. I have no love and affection with my son, Krishna. I heard in Treta Yuga Ramchandra, when he, what is it called? Exiled forest, and Dasharatha Maharaj cannot tolerate separation from Ram. And he left his body, Haram Hara. Nanda Maharaj continues saying this way. But still my son Krishna left me. I am still alive in my body. So where is my love? Mahaprabhu Daina, listen to me. Daina's different stages. Mahaprabhu told, no prema gandha osti hared darayupi. I have no any smell of prem in my heart. If you have no problem, why you are crying? Why tears rolling down from your eyes? Then Mahaprabhu is saying, oh, this is, and showing to me, showing to others. People will say, oh, you have prem. Actually, I have no prem. Mahaprabhu is saying this. Then Mahaprabhu give an example. As like the fish, they have love with the water. If fish will be happy with the water. Or if you take out the fish, from the water, then the fish will be what? flapping and like everybody. In the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, if I have love with Krishna, and so why I am living in this body? I did not give this body. And Mahaprabhu this sloka. No prema gandha asti hari darayopi. Daina this. Look this. Different daina. Understand this thing?
Gradation.
Eh?
Gradation.
Gradation of daina. Nanda Maharaj daina. And Srimati Radhika's daina also this. You read this. What is Srimati Radhika says very humble. Then he say, they are saying this way, what is God? No, this. And Srimati,
Hanta Munaya Haridasa Bari.
No, Jikalava Sapane, Dekilu se Chandvaran, Sikali Ailo Di Bori, and Ananda Ramadan, Harilo Mormon, Kideki woman. Srimati Radhika she told, I did not see to Krishna. How is he? Even my dream Krishna will come. I cannot see to Krishna. They are saying this by Chaitanya Chaitanya. Je kale basapane dekhinu se chand badan se kale ailo dui boiri anandar madan harililan morman ki dekhiba moi. Chaitanya Chaitanya. Even when Krishna is coming in my dream, I cannot take completely. I can take darshan to Krishna. Why? Because Ananda, so much happiness coming. Then tears rolling down from my eyes. I cannot take darshan to Krishna. Or another, so much praying manifest in my heart. So I'm thinking how to serve to Krishna. Jikale basapane dekhinu se chand badan seikale ailo dui bairi. Bairi means two enemies. Who are? There is Ananda, so much happiness and divine love. Jikale basapane dekhinu se chand badan. Chaitanya Chaitanya. Antalila. Jikale basapane dekhinu se chand badan seikale ailo dui bairi. Anandar madan harilila morman ki dekhiba moi. There are many kathas. Srimati Radhika she told, I never see Krishna. How is he? Hey Lalita, you tell to me. How is beautiful form of Krishna? Then Lalita Devi she told, and hey Radhe, just you met with your beloved Krishna. Then Srimati Radhika started to cry. No, I did not see to Krishna. If you have seen Krishna, you explain how is beautiful his form. Because prema's high stage, that is called anurag. When anurag coming, these are symptoms is coming. Understand this? Praspanu sinanu bandhanam or darshane atriptata. Are always a navanuman. Always ever fresh, newly fall. So for this, Srimati Radhika is saying, I did not see Krishna. How is it? This is Daina. This is her Daina. It's a different stage of Daina also. Understand? Daina's many gradation, store. Or conditional Daina also, okay. Arup Siddha first. When you say, I am very wretched, I am unqualified, I am stupid, nonsense. And he's saying, no, I am stupid. I can't have this. Then I will, yes, you are stupid, nonsense. Then you become very angry. He is saying, I am stupid, nonsense. The same word will say, yes, you are stupid, nonsense. Rascal. After taking prasad, you did not wash your hand. Stupid nonsense. Then going, oh, Gurudev, why did you say this? I said, this is not true. Eh? Because why saying this word? I'm very wretched. I'm very nonsense. Why saying this? Allah. Eh? Two reason. Okay. You are imposing. I accept. Or another, because if I say this, then people are very happy. No, Prabhu, you are not wretched. You are not stupid. And you are very qualified, intelligent. Listen. Huh? When you are saying or not, some people are saying, I'm unqualified, I'm not speaking, I'm not to speak, and understand? And if there you are speaking, this is not, you are become qualified, then become very angry. Angry or not? So why did you say? Two reasons.
But it might be reality, it might not be humility. It might be real.
For his own credit. Mostly you are credit also to get a solution. But this is need also. I am not saying Daina. This is called first, for this is called bhakti, first stage, that is called Arup Siddha. Arup means impose. This is it. Otherwise, you will never become humble. When, so for the Sanatana Goswami Pad, Brihad Bhagavatamritam explain, real humility will come when sadhu will come the stage of prema dasha. That time is real humility, daina. And that daina is called also prema. So for this, Sanatana Goswami Brihad Bhagavatam, daina and prema are same thing. That is called paripurak. Paripurak, understand? Subsidiarity. क्या बोल रहा है? Complementary. These are things. As like sugar and or complementary of sugar. What is any sugar? Sugar means chini. If you have no sugar, what do you do? Good. If you are making one the sarbat. Sarbat, understand? But in your house, not in sugar. How to make the sarbat?
Rose water.
Fresh.
Rose water.
You understand? So in your house, if you have a gur, so with the gur, you can make sweet rice. And two ways you can make the sweet rice. With the sugar or with the gur. Yesterday they did, what is it called? Dates.
Oh, yes.
Dates or the khajur gur. You know, one kind of good they can do also. Just to come. Yesterday you ate or not? They gave me, I did not eat. Yesterday gave or not?
Yes.
So you ate everything, you forget. That are not they put the sugar. They put the dates and good. So substitute will come. And so daina and prem and same thing at the stage of prem dasa.
Same coin.
Huh?
Two sides of the same coin.
You understand it? Daina is coming. Real daina will come in the stage of, or in the beginning, Nephi devotee, they are daina. That is called imposing. That is called Arup Siddha Bhakti. Understand this? Arup Siddha. Then after Arup Siddha, then will come Sangha Siddha. With the association of devotees, a good qualification will come. And you read Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu. And Vishwanath Chakravarti Grantha. And Arup Siddha, Sangha Siddha, then Sarva Siddha. Now is yours. Okay, little bit. Take rest, then Kirtan, Harikatha, then Mahaprasad. 1 o'clock.
If the devotee about this, if the devotee is saying, I am very cold and I'm so useless, you are very great, or someone else is very great, and she's saying like this, if I hear but I don't say anything, no, Prabhu, you are very great, if I don't give this feedback, is it okay? Because sometimes I'm just tired, because so many devotees are like this all the time, like, or it's also bad. We should also say, no, Vaishnav, no, you are great, because the person is saying as humility, or am I obliged to say?
So saying you this he is also or imposing, you also imposing. It's simple, right? Understand? Eh? He's saying I am unqualified. But no, you are not unqualified, qualified. You know he is not qualified. But he's saying for this regard, you give also respect. Understand?
You affirm or opposite?
Huh?
No, say opposite, right? Yeah.
What is opposite?
So if he says I'm not qualified, then I say, oh no, you are qualified. Like,
Yes, of course. You say you are qualified. Yes, Prabhu, you are qualified.
Very qualified.
Or you can say,
You tell also. He's saying I'm qualified. No, you are very qualified. Very good.
or maybe you can say you are not qualified. Yes, it's true.
Then you will come in. Next time he will not come in front of you. So you will say no. He's saying I'm not qualified. You say no, you are very qualified. Understand? No? Don't tell any negative words. Positive. Try to how to speak to positive words. And tell one very nice, beautiful story from the Puranas. Brahma manifested two daughters. Listen very carefully. This is Purana Katha. One is name is called Sumati, and is called Kumati. You understand? Write down the name. The Brahma, two daughters. One is name is called Sumati, another name is called Kumati. Listen this katha. Sumati and Kumati. Then their two daughters came to in front of Brahmaji. Father, he tell to us, honestly, who is good? Who is the best? Tell to us. Sumati, Kumati, understand or not first? English word. Hey, you understand Sumati means?
Yes, good mind, sumati, good intelligence, but good,
Good character,
yeah.
good intelligence. That's it. Brahmaji's one daughter name is called Sumati. Another Kumati means bad intelligence. Understand? Sumati and Kumati. Okay. So the two daughters, they came in front of Brahmaji. Pitaji tell to us, who is good? Then Brahmaji told, now you are young youth, Jivati. So you have to walk in front of me, and coming and going. Come in front of me and go back. You understand? Then I will decide who is good, and I will tell you.
Who is best?
What I am saying, the best or not. Who is good? Because they asked us to tell to Sumati or Kumati. Are two daughters. We are two sisters. You manifest.
One option, good or bad.
Who is good or who is good? But bad is there not. Who is good?
Automatically go.
Or who is good? Don't take the negative word. Who is good? And I'm saying here the main who is good? Goodbye. That not means that others they are bad. You cannot say this way. Goodbye, okay, goodbye. But don't you take the opposite way, what is called? Only you're taking the negative words, but don't take the negative words. I'm saying he is good boy. That means he is bad boy. You cannot say this one. He is good boy, okay. Okay. You understand or not?
Walking.
Okay, now to understand this. Then Brahmaji, he told, oh my young daughters, listen. You also walk coming and going. Come and go back. Then I will decide who is good. That means I am not saying who is bad. which is good. You always speak the positive words. Don't take the negative word. Understand? You don't tell you are a bad person. You don't tell this. Okay, good. Understand? And in our class, what are they giving? Who is not get the perfect number? Then you poor number. You are poor. Your number is very poor. You understand? They are not saying you are bad, saying the poor number. But not, that means your number is not good. But rating is your poor number, very poor. Poor, very poor, those are fail. Very, very poor, poor, very poor.
Yes.
Then saying, what is it called?
Excellent.
No. Good. Before good, what is saying?
Excellent.
Regular.
No.
Average.
Average. Okay.
Acceptable.
Acceptable. Okay. Then can get good. Then very good.
Then excellent.
Then or the last is excellent. Okay. Different grades. So come in Kumati and Sumati. So you are and walk in front of it, coming and back. So to do the first Kumati understand? She is coming. Then Brahmaji, okay, you and again also go back. Then she return back. Then Sumati coming and going back. Then Brahmaji told, listen, when Sumati is coming, this is very good. Very good. Or when Kumati and going, that is good. You understand? Brahmaji did not say you are bad. Kumati when
No, so much.
Sumati when coming, this is good.
Very good.
Good. Chalo. Or when Kumati
Going.
return back, that is good.
Even better.
Comparative.
Yeah.
Literal meaning and metaphor.
You understand? You are not saying the negative words. Also, use words is a positive word. When Sumati is coming, good. When is coming, is good. Or when Kumati is going, that is good. Kumati will go.
Yes.
So this is what. Actually, internally we are saying they are negative, but it's just use word the positive.
Good, better, best.
So they are very happy. Okay. Bad things coming, you are happy or not? No. When bad days going, you are happy. Or when good days coming, you are happy. Both are happy. When good days coming, you are happy. Or when bad days going, you are happy. Both happy or not? So, look, the positive word. Always try to speak the positive. But you always thinking the negative. No, don't think negative. Always speak, always positive. Understand? If you speak the people, always positive, not negative.
Very good, Maharaj.
Hello,
Oh, Pranam.